Welcome to this tutorial on sum aggregation across planning levels for quantity key figures. First, review the objective. The introduction slide explains that stored key figure data aggregates when the planning view uses a higher planning level. In this example, Actuals Qty uses aggregation mode sum, and removing customer ID rolls the view up to product level by summing the underlying customer values. Next, open the SAP IBP web application to review the planning area configuration. Next, the planning areas list is displayed. The IIM planning area is highlighted in the table. Click the IIM planning area ID to open the model configuration used in this example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed on the General tab. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because aggregation behavior is configured for each key figure. Click Key Figures to continue. After clicking Key Figures, the key figure list is displayed. Actuals Qty is highlighted with the key figure ID Actuals Qty and base planning level WKPRODLOCCUST. Click Actuals Qty to open the key figure details. After opening the key figure details, the characteristics section is displayed. The aggregation mode field is highlighted and shows sum, while disaggregation mode shows equal distribution. This means SAP IBP sums the underlying values when the data is viewed at a higher planning level. Next, switch to Microsoft Excel to see the effect in a planning view. Now, the Excel planning view is displayed by material and customer ID. Actuals Qty is shown for each customer level row, and Edit View is highlighted in the SAP IBP ribbon. Click Edit View to change the planning level attributes. After clicking Edit View, the Edit Planning View window opens on Time Settings. The Attributes button is highlighted in the navigation area. Click Attributes to change the displayed planning attributes. After clicking Attributes, the All Attributes and Selected Attributes areas are displayed. Material and Customer ID are selected, so the worksheet currently shows Actuals Qty by material and customer. Clear Customer ID to aggregate the view to the material level. After clearing Customer ID, only material remains in selected attributes. Click OK to apply the change planning level to the worksheet. After confirming the change, the worksheet refreshes and the section changes to aggregate data by product ID. The Customer ID column is removed and the rows are shown at material level. For sum aggregation, each product level quantity displays the sum of the underlying customer level values for the period. In summary, this workflow first verifies that the quantity key figure is configured with aggregation mode sum, then shows the same key figure at a detailed material and customer level and at the higher material level. When customer ID is removed from the planning view, SAP IBP aggregates the underlying rows and displays the summed quantity at the requested level. The exact planning area, key figures, attributes, periods, fields, settings, and values may vary by system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.